What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to show you how you can get the latest working iOS Jailbreak 26.3. Now the website we've been using is the unofficial working stable version of it, which works for Unc0ver with Cydia, and this works for iOS devices 12.3 and up, so you can have no problems at all. It works on all different compatible iPhones without any issues. We've tested it out on multiple devices and we have not come across one single problem since testing this out, so you guys don't have to. So the first thing you want to do is go to the website, but the link will be below for you in the comments. But if you want to go to it, you can go to your Safari and then you can type in VIPjailbreak.com. That's VIPjailbreak.com. Once you're on the website, you can scroll down and go through the information, but you don't need to do that because we've already done it. We've already downloaded this multiple times. So go ahead and click on the jailbreak button, and then once you've done that, go ahead and click on the allow, and then go to your settings. And once you're on your settings, go ahead and look for the install profile, open that, and then click on install, and then next, installed again. And that's done. Now once you've done that, you can go back to your home screen and you'll see either on the main home screen or swipe right, and you'll see it's downloaded the Unc0ver for you. So what you want to go ahead and do now is click on the Unc0ver app, and that will then open up for you. And here we go. So as we can see, this is working for all iOS 11.0 and up, and all you need to now do is go ahead and click on the jailbreak button. That's then going to go through all of the code source for us and install it. And it doesn't take very long at all, actually, because it goes through the sandbox and everything like that. Now, one thing you will find is that there is an Apple security check, guys. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and click on continue. And there's a couple of little steps you need to take. Now, guys, what we've done is actually used the verification. There's a process with a Buffalo gift card, and we've done that every time, and we've actually got access to the Buffalo gift card. So we've been doing work very well in the office from that, I can tell you now. So yeah, you can do that, or you can select something else if anything else appears. Like I say, this is put in place by Apple for security checks, just to verify that, you know, there's no bot traffic that's, you know, continuously trying to access the jailbreak through multiple iPhone devices. So once you've done that, you're going to be able to go to your home screen again. And as you can see, we've already got it downloaded. We've got the Cydia here. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up for you now so you can see it in action. And as we can see, I'll click on the reload as well, look. And it's just reloaded, and everything's on here that you're going to need. You've got the sources, you've got all the different plugins, the wallpapers. It's all working perfectly fine. As I say, we've tested this out multiple times on all different devices and had no problems at all. So there you go, guys. That's it. As I say, the link will be below in the comments for you. Please do drop a like on the comment on the video and a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, because we always release these for you. Cheers, guys.